Hello all, we know the standard formulas for integration. Now uh, we have to see how we can apply standard formula for this type of examples. On screen you can see example first. Evaluate integration x raised to a plus a raised to x plus a raised to a into dx. So how we can solve here? Just a minute. Solution for this integration is first we have to consider this integration like capital I. Integration x raised to a, first we have to take for example x raised to a plus a raised to x plus a raised to a into dx. Okay. Now first we have to separate all these terms like this. What we have to do here? We have to take integration and dx to each and every term like this. First, integration x raised to a dx plus integration a raised to x dx. Okay, and for last term, here a is constant and this a is also constant. Therefore, we have to take this out of integration, that is a raised to a. Then in integration remaining term is 1 dx or only dx. And integration, which formula we can apply for this? First, for this we have to apply integration x raised to n dx. X raised to n dx का formula x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So for x raised to a, the answer will be x raised to a plus 1 divided by a plus 1. Okay. Then second integration, we have standard formula for this. A raised to x dx is a raised to x. In formula you can see a raised to x divided by log a. Okay. And last one, this a raised to a is constant, therefore it will be as it is. And what is the integration of 1 dx or integration of x is only x plus c. In this way you can apply this example, this formula like this. For example, one another example I will show you. Integration x square plus 2 raised to x plus 2 square into dx. So first what we have to do here? First we have to separate this integration. Means what? We have to take this term as well as integration and dx to each and every term plus integration 2 raised to x dx plus integration, here this 2 and 2 will be constant, therefore it is out of integration. 2 raised to 2 1 dx. Now we have to apply this formula x raised to n dx. This x raised to 2. So x raised to 2 plus 1 means x cube divided by this number, that is n plus 1 3 plus for 2 raised to x, which formula we have to use? A raised to x dx. So what is the formula for a raised to x dx? It is a raised to x divided by log a plus c. So for 2 raised to x, the formula will be like this: 2 raised to x divided by log 2 divided by log of constant, that is log 2 plus 2 square, and integration of 1 dx is only x plus c. Here we can solve another problems also, that is like x raised to 5 plus 5 raised to x plus 5 square or 5 raised to 5 like this. Or in this example there will be different alphabet like x raised to m plus m raised to x plus m raised to n. Then you can solve like this. Okay. Next, second problem, you can see this: evaluate integration x plus 1 bracket square into dx. Okay, now how we can solve this integration? Okay, integration, first take it as capital I, integration x plus 1 bracket square into dx. Okay, so we know that the formula a plus b bracket square. Consider this as a, middle sign is plus, and consider this as b bracket square. What is the formula for a plus b bracket square? The formula will be a square, or formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square. By using this formula, x plus 1 bracket square will be like this: integration x square plus 2ab, 2 into x into 1, that is 2x, and last term is b square, means 1 square, that is 1 into dx. Okay, so we simplify this term by using factorization formula. Then let us separate this all three terms by taking integration and dx to each term by taking constant out of integration. So now first term is x square. So we can take integration x square into dx. In second term, you can see here 2 is constant. So take it out of integration. In integration, the remaining term will be x dx. And last one is, this one is constant, but we have the 1 dx formula for integration. Okay, now we can use the here the power is 1. Okay, now we can use integration x raised to n dx formula for this term and this term also. Okay, so x square x raised to n dx is x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c, means what? The power of x will be increased by 1, that is x cube divided by 3 plus 2, the power is x raised to 1, means the power is x square divided by 2, increased by 1, plus integration 1 dx is x and plus c. Okay, now this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Therefore, the final answer is x cube divided by 3 plus x square plus x plus c. This will be your final answer. In this way, you can solve another problem: integration x minus 1 bracket square. For this, you can use a minus b bracket square formula. Okay, so you can solve it by your own. Next, integration. Next example you can see on the screen. Integration 1 plus root x bracket square divided by root x into dx. Now solution for this is, take I is equal to integration. First we will write the example: 1 plus root x bracket square divided by root x into dx. Okay, so first we have to solve numerator, and in numerator, just like last example, we can use a plus b bracket square. Formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So 1 plus root x bracket square becomes 1 1 square plus 2 into root x, that is 2 root x, plus root x bracket square, root x the square, divided by root x into dx. Okay, now first we'll simplify numerator first. 1 plus 2 root x plus root x bracket square, that is x. We can say it as this square and square root will get cancelled, divided by root x into dx. Okay, now we have to separate the numerator, means this root x is divided to each and every term of for the numerator. So now we can take 1 upon root x, then you can see here second term 2 root x divided by root x plus divided by root x is common. Now this x can be split as root x into root x. Okay, so this root x and this root x will get cancelled, this root x and root x will get cancelled. Now we'll separate the each and every term of integration. Now like this, 1 upon root x dx plus this 2 will be constant, then in integration remaining term is 1 dx plus integration root x dx. Okay, in standard formula you have already seen the standard formula. I will show you 1 upon root x and root x. You can see here 1 upon root x is 2 root x, while only root x is 2 by 3 x root x plus c. Okay, so we can write 1 upon root x is 2 root x plus 2 into integration 1 dx is x plus integration of root x is 2 by 3 x root x plus c, or formula for this root x will be 2 by 3 x raised to 3 by 2 plus c. Both answers will be correct. Okay, so in this way the answer of this problem will be this. Okay, next, evaluate integration e raised to x plus 1 upon 1 plus x square. First, we'll take this integration as capital I, then integration e raised to x plus 1 upon 1 plus x square into dx. Now, what we have to do here? First, we have to separate the integration. Means what? We have to take integration and dx to each term. Integration e raised to x dx, integration 1 upon 1 plus x square dx. In standard formula, we have formula for this. I will show you what is the integration of a raised to e raised to x dx. So you can see this sixth one formula, e raised to x dx is e raised to x plus c, while you can see 17th formula, that is integration 1 upon 1 plus x square is tan inverse x plus c. So we can write it directly. Integration e raised to x the e raised to x plus 1 upon 1 plus x square is tan inverse x plus c. All these, this is the answer of your example. All these examples are for 2 marks in MSBT exam. Okay, now next examples are based on this last formulas. I will show you this root 1 minus x square, root 1 minus x square, 1 plus x square, or this one. Okay, there are 6 formulas which are important for integration. So first example is evaluate integration x square plus 4 into dx. So first we'll take integration I is equal to 1 upon x square plus 4 into dx. Now, as this term is in square, so first we have to take this 4 in square terms. Term. Like this, 1 upon x square plus 4 will be like this, 2 square into dx. Okay, so this is term of x, so we can take this as x, and this is constant term. So for constant we can take a. Okay, so we can use the formula over here, dx divide by first term is x square. Okay, middle sign is plus and last term is constant, so it will be a square. Formula for this is 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a plus c. 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a. So value of x will be x and a. Value of a will be 2, not 2 square, only 2. Okay. So we'll put these values in this formula. 1 upon a, that is 1 upon 2 tan inverse x upon a. Value of x is x divided by a. A is 2 plus c. Okay. This example is also for 2 marks. Okay. So what is the answer of this? 1 upon 2 tan inverse x by 2 plus c. Now we'll see same examples, but there you can see different one is square root. So we have to use this three square root formulas, that is 25, 26 or 27. Okay. Now 1 second. Integration root 1 minus x square. So first integration 1 divide by, in square root 9 is square of 3 minus x square into dx. So this is the constant. So we can take it as a. This will be x. Okay. So formula for this is dx divide by root a square minus x square. So what is the formula for this? Sine inverse x upon a plus c. Okay. So here a is equal to 3 and x is equal to x. The answer will be sine inverse x divided by a means 3 plus c. These examples are like another examples also, but the formula will be different.